Once it is time to join your session, you may click the Join button to enter the session. Next, you may configure your video and audio by selecting the source of your video and mic. As well as the selected output for your speakers. On the top left, you can see a video icon where you can toggle your video on and off, or select whether to send HD video. You can click the mic icon to mute or unmute your voice. Through the participants icon, you may enable or disable the lobby function for the session. The lobby is always turned on by default. New participants will show up in the lobby list and will be held in the waiting room. You can allow individual participants to enter or allow all waiting participants to enter. Disabling the lobby function allows all participants in the waiting room to enter the session as well. By default, all new participants who enter the session have audience access. You may grant audience members different roles or permissions as needed. You may move an audience member to a speaker role or grant them broadcast permission or presentation permission. Broadcast permission allows them to share their video and audio. While presentation permission allows them to access the collaboration tools. At the bottom right, you may use the different preset video layouts to customize your screen. After selecting a preset, you can adjust the layouts as you like to best fit your needs. To reflect your selected layout to all participants, you may lock the layout for all participants of the meeting. As a speaker, you have three options when you click the door icon. You can disconnect audience users, which disconnects participants and leaves the session active. Leave session, where you can disconnect and leave the session active. Or end the session for all participants, including the speaker.